two hosting giants, each with their own strengths. InMotion Hosting versus Hostinger, which one really delivers? On the left, InMotion Hosting, performance-driven and packed with advanced features. On the right, Hostinger, modern, budget-friendly, and ideal for those just getting started. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Alright, here what we're looking at. We'll compare the two hosts across price, performance, customer support, features and security, ease of use, and their data center locations. Quick little mind map for your brain. Price, performance, customer support, features and security, ease of use, and data centers. Let's dig in. First up, price. So, InMotion Hosting, honestly, they love to pack features into their plans, which gives you some real value if you need like all the bells and whistles. But starting at about $2.99 a month, they aren't the cheapest kid on the block. On the flip side, Hostinger, oh, they're living up to that budget-friendly reputation, like you can get started for $1.39 a month. That's, well, basically spare change. It's kinda perfect for students, personal sites, or anyone starting small. Of course, you don't get every feature with their entry-level plans, but sometimes that's exactly what you need when you're just beginning. So for price, Hostinger definitely takes it. Let's move to performance. InMotion Hosting's boast is their max speed zone tech, fancy NVMe SSDs, and UltraStack servers, which, wait for it, can be up to 20 times faster than regular hosting setups. Their speed tests? Consistently impressive. Only catch is the best performance features are on their higher tier plans, so you sorta pay for what you get. Hostinger, meanwhile, offers respectably fast load times even for their budget plans and the classic 99.9% uptime guarantee. However, side by side, they can't quite match InMotion's raw speed or consistency. So if speed and reliability are your jam, InMotion's the winner here. Next is customer support. With InMotion, you've got 24/7 365 US-based support in every format you can think of: phone, chat, email, you name it. And honestly, their reps know their stuff and respond fast. One weird thing though, phone support isn't as useful if you're international. Hostinger does have super polite and helpful agents, but you might need a little patience for their live chat sometimes. And they don't offer phone support, which can be a bummer when you want to actually talk to a human. Safe to say, InMotion takes support pretty seriously and wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool that most people miss. Did you know InMotion Hosting is 100% employee-owned? Plus, their 90-day money-back guarantee is literally one of the longest in the industry. Gives you just a bit more peace of mind than the usual 30 days, right? Okay, features and security. InMotion pretty much goes all out. Most plans have unlimited storage. You get free SSL, malware protection, SSH, WPCLI, and something I find impressive: a 90-day money-back guarantee. Seriously, that's months to try it risk-free. It can be a lot if you're just starting, but hey, more is better, right? Hostinger does bring some cool tricks like an AI website builder, free CDN on their higher plans, plus free SSL and a domain. But if you pick their cheapest tier, you'll notice things feel a bit tighter: less storage, shorter refund period, just 30 days. So, for features, InMotion totally pulls ahead. Now for ease of use, and for some folks this is deal-breaker territory. InMotion offers the classic cPanel approach, which is solid and proven, but, it can look kinda intimidating if you're new to all this. They've got an account management panel for billing, which, great. Hostinger is almost the polar opposite. They've got this very modern, beginner-friendly control panel that just guides you through setup. Quick, clean onboarding, perfect if you hate reading manuals. Of course, some advanced stuff is a little less customizable, but I mean, if you want stress-free, Hostinger's your guy. So Hostinger gets the point for ease of use. Last up, data centers. InMotion Hosting keeps things strategic. They've got locations in LA, Virginia, Amsterdam, which means your site can target specific regions for killer performance. Not the biggest menu, but the focus is on speed zones and optimizing where it counts. Hostinger has more global locations, that's good for international reach, but less emphasis on squeezing out those extra milliseconds. If targeted speed matters, InMotion gets the crown. If you're a visual person, picture this: InMotion Hosting scores super high on performance, support, features, and targeted speed. Hostinger spikes on price and ease of use, but it's just a bit behind when it comes to raw power and support. So, after all that, here's my take. If you want maximum savings, easy setup, and honestly a hosting solution that's just straightforward for blogs or simple sites, Hostinger is kind of the obvious pick. But when your project is business critical or you're hungry for speed, features, security, and rock-solid support, InMotion Hosting is hands down the better investment. Was this hosting comparison helpful? Awesome! Share it with your friends and let them know which host you would pick.